In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create trigger links in Go High Level. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly how to set them up and get them ready to use in your campaigns, emails, and automations. First, log into your Go High Level account and make sure you're in the correct sub-account or location where you want to use the trigger links. Once you're on the main dashboard for that location, look at the left-hand side menu. Find and click on the section labeled Marketing. This is where Go High Level keeps tools related to campaigns, emails, and other marketing assets, including trigger links. After you're inside the marketing section, look for the option called Trigger Links in the submenu. Go ahead and click on Trigger Links. This will open a page that shows you all the trigger links you've already created for this location. If this is your first time here, the list might be empty, and that's completely fine. Now, to create a new trigger link, find the button that says Add Link, usually at the top right or upper area of the page. Click on Add Link to open the form where you'll set up your new trigger link. You'll now see fields where you can fill in the details. Start by giving your trigger link a clear, descriptive name. For example, you might name it something like Booking Page Click or Pricing Page Link so you can quickly recognize what it's for later. This name is for internal use, so choose something that makes sense to you and your team. Next, enter the destination URL. This is the actual web address that people will be taken to when they click the trigger link. It could be a landing page, a booking page, a sales page, or any other URL you want to track. Make sure you paste the full and correct link, including the HTTPS part, to avoid any broken redirects. Take a moment to double check both the name and the URL. A good habit is to quickly test the URL in another browser tab before saving, just to confirm it loads correctly. Once everything looks good, click on Save. Go High Level will create the trigger link and add it to your list on the Trigger Links page. From there, you can copy and use it in your emails, funnels, and workflows, and you'll be able to track when contacts click that link and use it as a condition in your automations. That's all you need to do to create trigger links in Go High Level.